Hey guys, you're gonna hear a call that I made to a for sale by owner right now. And this was actually an easy call. I said to this seller, if I can show you a way where working with me would make you money instead of cost you money. I don't know exactly the words I used on the call, but in essence, this is what I said. If it would make you money instead of cost you money, this commission that for sale by owners are always looking to save, is that something that you might consider? And he said, yes. Now, this is such a great question. You don't always get a yes the first time, but in this case, he said yes, because it's a logical question. It's a hypothetical question. If it would make you money to have a great real estate agent instead of cost you money, would you do it? Obviously, you're not asking for a commitment right now. Again, it's a hypothetical question. It's a very easy question for them to say yes to, because we know that for sale by owners are looking to save the commission. That's the main reason. Even though sometimes they say they're selling on their own for another reason, it's always about the commission. I am 100% confident that working with me is the best decision that any seller could make, including for sale by owners. So the seller said yes. And then he asked me a question about the price. He said, well, I'm asking 500,000. I'm in this area. I'm not sure if I can get the price. Never discuss price with a seller over the phone. You don't want to do that. That's not a conversation to have at all. When you're pre-qualifying the appointment, then you're going to ask, how much do you want to list the property for? And you could ask a few different questions about the price. But until you set an appointment, until they say yes to meeting with you, there's nothing to talk about in regards to price. So when he asked me about price, and I'm not sure if I can get this price, my response, as you're going to hear, is in preparation for a meeting, I'm going to do some detailed research. And when we meet, we'll figure out what is the highest price that you can sell the property in today's market. Now, why do I use that dialogue? Because I know that every homeowner wants to sell it for the most money possible. So when I say it like that, of course, and then I ended with, I believe, obviously that's what you want, isn't it? And they'll say yes, great. So what would be a good time for us to meet? He told me tomorrow morning he's off work, great, 11 a.m. And he said first he said, oh, I'll call you back or call me back. And then I asked when he's off work. He said tomorrow morning, great, I can call you before 11 a.m. to confirm. And that's it. You have a yes. Don't get distracted. You know, when you're talking to for sale by owners, when you're talking to anyone you don't know, it doesn't matter who it is, right? They're going to throw you curveballs all over the place. Your job is to stay focused on setting an appointment so you can get in front of them and they will see the great benefits of hiring an experienced professional agent like yourself. Here's the call.
Hello?
Hi, is this Jose?
Yes.
Hey, Jose, this is Jackie. I'm a local real estate agent. I noticed you have your house for sale. You're selling it by owner, right?
Yeah, but I mean,
Yeah. Jose, I decided to give you a quick call today because I work with buyers and sellers here in the area. Just wanted to see how things are working, how things are working out for you so far.
I just put it on Zillow and about a week ago or something like that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And how's it going? Getting probably a lot of calls from realtors, huh?
Yes, that's the only thing that's calling me.
I understand. There are a lot, lots, tens of thousands of them in Miami. Jose, is saving the real estate commission the main reason why you decided to sell it by
I'm
owner?
sorry, you're breaking up. What was that again?
Is saving the real estate commission the reason why you decided to sell it by owner instead of using an agent?
No, I just put it out there. That's what I did.
Just to see how it goes.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
exactly.
And let me ask you this, Jose, if I can show you a way how I can sell this property for you and actually
Mm-hmm.
net you more money than if you were to sell it yourself, because you could sell it yourself, right? There's no doubt in my mind. But if you could
Right.
net more money by working with an experienced professional like myself, is that something that you might consider?
Of course. Yeah. And
Yeah.
what's your commission? You have a commission?
Yes, there is a commission, but I even after my commission is paid, I am confident that you would walk away with more money by having me handle it than if you were to sell it yourself. And here, Jose, I know the commission is a big deal. Okay, I understand that, but my commission will not be an expense to you. It will be an investment. I'd like to just meet with you for 20 minutes and show you
Mm-hmm.
what I do that would actually make you money. Would you be
But you know
available?
what? I'm selling for $500,000, right? You know that,
I,
right?
I do see the price, yes. Uh huh.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
I know
in
that area. That's near the airport. I don't know if I'm gonna get that money anyway. So.
right. Well, and here's what I do, Jose. I'd like to meet with you for 20 minutes, and in preparation for our meeting, I'm going to do some detailed research. So, part of
Okay.
what we're going to do when we meet, I'm going to show you how it would benefit you financially to work with me, but also we would look at all the research and determine what is the absolute highest price that we can sell your property for in today's market. Would you have 20 minutes around maybe 4 o'clock today, or would five be better?
Right now I'm working, but we can call me later.
Okay. What time do you get off work, Jose?
I get off of work at 8 o'clock.
8 p.m. Okay. And how
Yep.
about are you available early? I mean, it's early, so you were working long
Tomorrow
hours, huh?
morning is fine. Tomorrow morning I'm off.
Tomorrow morning. So would maybe 11 a.m. work for you tomorrow?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, excellent. I'll put you down for 11 a.m. You have my number. And again, I'll do
Just call
some
me tomorrow.
extensive research. I'm sorry?
Call me tomorrow.
Okay, I'll call you tomorrow, but I
Give
have
me
you
a
down.
call.
I'll have you down for 11 a.m. and I'll give you a call early in the morning and we can confirm everything, okay?
All right, no problem. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Jose. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye.